Hey guys, it's Matt, welcome to SpeedTutor, and I promised a few people that I would make a video on the spectacular sounds bundle and exactly what's in it, which is over 10,000 sound effects worth over $900 for a mere around $20. But I thought I'd make a video to showcase all the sales, free assets and everything you can find currently to make the best savings across GameDev. So I'll start off by saying, first of all, there was my 75 free Unity assets video that I released a few days ago, which I'll put the link down in the description, and you can get, I think it's about 75 different assets, and I've got playlists for the last few years of all the free assets that you can find in Unity too. You also can get hold of the Magical Swords visual effects for absolutely free when you use the code HOVL at checkout for it, and there's also 50% off this asset developer's entire catalogue of visual effects and things like that. There is currently the GameDev summer sale on the Unity asset store, which is 50% off a range of assets, and I will have a video actually tomorrow showcasing some of my favourites which will be on sale too. There is the Unity Quick Start bundle, which is around $20 for 9 different packs featuring full systems, environments, casual games, particles and a load of sound effects in there. And you can also have a quick look at the new release discounts that you can find, and a lot of these assets probably won't ever go on sale, so there might be some that you can look at and they'll be the only time that they're most likely on sale, especially if they're at a lower price point. And also be sure to check out my Patreon too, because you can get access to over 195 different scripts, assets and projects you cannot find anywhere else. And just before I show the spectacular sound bundle, we've got the pack for around £20 or $25-ish, and this one has 14 different courses, which has a selection of Godot, Unity and Unreal tutorials. It has loads of starter kits, and it has bits for modeling in Blender, 2D pixel art with environments, drawing courses, roadmap to success, loads of layouts, character creations, 2D arts, and all that would be worth over $1,000. But the one I wanted to show everybody, which is around for the full 50 bundles, which is over 10,000 different sound effects. So here's the bundle. It's the spectacular sounds and marvelous music. And as you can see, it has over 10,000 sound effects, over 20 hours of content, or worth over $900 for around £15 or $20. And it comes with a selection, and I will show you them because I've got this bundle and I'll show you everything that's included with it. So it's got 999 different sound effects, and you can click on all the different websites to take you to everything that you might need to see for the previews if you want an idea of what these include. So we've got the arcane music sound library, retro game sounds in weapons, we've got athletics and sports, colossal game music collection, which has 20 high quality music tracks for different genres. You've got board game toolkits, you've got UI and HUDs, infographics, exoplanets, you've got military style voices for male and female, you've got combat sounds, fantasy sounds, different ambiances, weather, physics interactions, gun sounds, horror, paranormals, futuristic, things for apps, various sci-fi and retro, heal buffs and more, Halloween, puzzle, cassette playing, futuristic sound effects, cute character voices, water sounds, and so many more. And like I say, you can get the smaller bundles if you really want, but it's very much worth it, as I always say, that when you're in GameDev, it's good to get all the free assets or the really low cost assets, because you never know when you will need sound effects. Because for me, I have about a 500 gigabyte folder of different sound effects, but the spectacular bundle comes with all these. I've just extracted them all here, and you can see everything here. If we go to the colossal music collection, it's split out into different types of adventure, everything in nice folders for exactly what you might need, whether it's horror, fantasy, sci-fi. We've got loads of the cute fluffy voices with laughs and all sorts of things. The Halloween sound effects with buttons, events, graves, dying screams, various gun sounds, and most of them actually have split into different audio formats, so OGG, WAV or MP3. So I just think there's a whole host of amazing sounds just to be able to use in your game, because whether you need this for game jams. And one thing, I've got an app called Sound Explorer, which I've made a video on, which I'll also put down in the description. You can import files or folders directly into this application, and it's a way to manage every single piece of audio that you import in. It doesn't import another copy of it, it looks at the reference. You can auto categorize, and then you can find things like if you want something for crows, fowl, sea, and you can filter it either by name or anything like that, and it's a really great application for sorting yourself out. So do be sure to check out these out. Let me know what you get hold of, because I think a lot of the savings are really worthwhile. So do be sure to come and check out my Patreon to get access to over 195 different scripts, assets and projects you cannot find anywhere else. Big thanks to Peter Steiner, Mike Cullen, Than Chung and Isidora Negri for their great support on Patreon, and everybody else who comes to watch the videos. So thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Cheers.